No matter what type of grill you have, it's a good idea to keep it fairly clean. Now, some of the hardcore guys like Neil will tell you that they don't want to clean it at all because that adds a little bit of seasoning to whatever they cook. But for me, I really like to keep the grates nice and clean. Now, the best way to do that is while it's still warm, so use your wire brush and knock off just as much as you can. But on a gas grill like this one, it's a good idea once a year to really get in there and thoroughly clean it, and that requires a little disassembly. Before you start, you may want to cover up a bit, yourself and the surroundings. The components, like these cooking grates, can get pretty messy, and it just gets worse when you let them soak in a little liquid grill cleaner. My grill uses ceramic plates to shield the burners from drips, and these have obviously done that job well. A wire brush works real well to break that stuff loose and clear the ceramic. Finally, I can remove the burners themselves, which have less grease on them, but plenty of corrosion from the combination of heat and moisture in the grill. Besides brushing and scraping off the rust, it's a good idea to make sure that all of the tiny burner holes are nice and clear. A toothpick is the perfect tool for this. The remaining crud in the grill box has to come out as well, and a wet dry vac is a ticket to do it fast. After scrubbing and rinsing the grates, I'm ready to start putting the pieces back together again. After cleaning, it's a good idea to light all the burners and let the grill cook for a few minutes to burn off any residue that might be left behind on the grates.